All right, here I have Kentucky 669 railroad crossing here in Daisy, Kentucky. Here at the first signal. Wow, this is the tallest signal I've ever seen. So the first signal has a safe train base. You have a CSX emergency info. The dot number is 346284P and milepost is 0LF261.65. And the lights are Safe Trend 12 by 24 inch lights. They're all incandescent, and these pair have been installed in the 1980s. Yep, it's really tall signal. And here's the path. There's the pathway, as you can see. And here's the relay case. And over here is the second signal. All right, now the car's gone. I can cross now. So the second signal is, I wouldn't show you this partial edition, but it's a edition, but it has clamp style base on it. We have another CSX emergency info. And the lights are also Safe Train 12 by 24 inch lights. So yeah, nothing too special here. And that way that leads to the other side of a coal company out there. And that way leads to all the way to Hazard, not to Eisen through Martin, Kentucky. Or at least it is. So yeah, that is. So here we have the Kentucky 669 railroad crossing here in Daisy, Kentucky. Over and out.